In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add hyperlinks inside your Mailchimp emails so you can send readers straight to your website, products, or offers. First, log in and go to the campaign section from your dashboard. Select the campaign you want to edit, then click Edit Design. Inside the editor, drag a text block or click into an existing one. Now, highlight the text you want to hyperlink, then click the link icon in the toolbar. It looks like a small chain. Paste your URL into the box, hit insert and then click save. Always preview your email to make sure the link works on both desktop and mobile. And that's it, you've successfully added a hyperlink in Mailchimp. Hyperlinks are small but powerful. They guide your audience exactly where you want them to go. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Mailchimp tutorials. Happy emailing!